The world of Restomods is no stranger to bold designs and powerful builds, but few cars stand out quite like the 1970 Plymouth Cuda that has been transformed by the legendary custom car builders at Ringbrothers. Known for their ability to push the boundaries of both performance and style, Ringbrothers has taken the classic Cuda muscle car and infused it with cutting-edge technology, turning it into a one-of-a-kind performance machine that's sure to leave an impression wherever it goes. With an astounding 807 horsepower and an audacious pink finish, this Restomod is more than just a car, it's a statement. The original Plymouth Cuda is one of the most iconic muscle cars of the 1970s, revered for its aggressive stance and powerful V8 engine options. Ringbrothers, however, decided to take this classic design and reimagine it with modern performance technology while still respecting its roots. The result is a 1970 Cuda that maintains the original muscle car charm but is transformed into a machine that's ready to outperform many of today's high-performance sports cars. At the heart of this incredible Restomod is an 807 horsepower engine. Ringbrothers swapped the original powerplant for a modern, high-performance engine that's capable of producing enormous horsepower and torque, making this Cuda an absolute powerhouse. The V8 engine is mated to a modern transmission system, ensuring that this beast can deliver power to the wheels with precision and responsiveness. Whether you're cruising down the highway or launching off the line at a drag strip, the power of this Restomod is undeniable. The engine swap is complemented by a suite of performance upgrades that make the Cuda not just fast, but a true performance machine. Upgraded suspension, custom brakes, and a reinforced chassis give this classic muscle car the handling, stability, and control needed to take full advantage of its immense power. The result is a car that not only looks stunning but also drives like a modern supercar, offering a thrilling driving experience for anyone behind the wheel. Visually, this 1970 Plymouth Cuda is a feast for the eyes. The Ringbrothers team went all in with a striking pink paint job, which is sure to turn heads and start conversations wherever it goes. The bold, vibrant color is a daring choice that's both unexpected and undeniably cool, giving the Cuda a modern flair while still nodding to the muscle car's classic roots. The exterior is finished off with custom bodywork, including enhanced aerodynamics, a lowered stance, and a wider track, giving the car an even more aggressive and muscular look. Inside, the Cuda is a mix of classic muscle car elements and modern upgrades. The interior has been stripped of any excess and reimagined with sporty, minimalist touches. The seats are wrapped in high-quality leather, and the cabin is equipped with modern tech, including a digital dashboard and an upgraded sound system. The dashboard layout keeps the original Cuda feel intact, but with the latest in performance and convenience technology, making this Restomod a pleasure to drive on both the streets and the track. Of course, Ringbrothers didn't just focus on performance and aesthetics, they've also ensured that the car retains its muscle car soul. The exhaust note from the engine is unmistakable, with a deep, throaty growl that can be heard from blocks away. The car's raw power and distinctive engine sound make it clear that this is no ordinary showpiece, it's a car built to be driven hard and fast. The 1970 Plymouth Cuda Restomod by Ringbrothers is the ultimate fusion of classic muscle car power and modern-day performance enhancements. With 807 horsepower, a stunning pink exterior, and an interior that mixes retro charm with modern technology, this car is a true masterpiece. It's not just a tribute to the past, it's a vision of what the future of muscle cars could look like. If you're a fan of high-performance cars, custom builds, or just love the thrill of seeing a classic car reimagined for the modern age, this Cuda is sure to leave a lasting impression.